हुआ मैच अफगानिस्तान और पाकिस्तान का, जिसको जीता पाकिस्तान। और पाकिस्तान के जीतने के बाद पाकिस्तान पूल के टॉप पे था रैंकिंग पे, और इंडिया जो है अभी भी 5वें नंबर पे है, 5वें रैंक पे है। इंडिया क्या सेमीफाइनल तक पहुंच पाएगा, और इंडिया के लिए कौन सा ऐसा मैच है जो जिसे डू और डाई मैच बोल सकते हैं? इसी पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं जर्नलिस्ट प्रीति उपाला जी, जो कि ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट विनर भी रही हैं और एक हॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस भी हैं। खैर ये एनालिस्ट हैं, स्पोर्ट्स एनालिस्ट है, और इनकी अपनी एनालिसिस आप इंस्टाग्राम के चैनल द प्रीति इफेक्ट पर सुन सकते हैं। ये वहां पर एनालिसिस करती हैं। प्रीति जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका हमारे शो में। प्रीति जी, जो ये मैच हुआ और इस मैच के बाद जो पाकिस्तान जीता, तो क्या ये इंडिया के फेवर में जाता है या इंडिया के अगेंस्ट जाता है?
Namaste, Rohit ji, and namaste to your wonderful audience, and thank you to everybody from India Matters tuning in. This game, believe it or not, is actually good for India because if Pakistan wins, all the points go to Pakistan and they don't get dispersed. They don't go to Afghanistan, they don't go to New Zealand, and so on. So it's only a good thing. So in the group stages, the more Pakistan wins, it's better for India. I know it's strange to even say that aloud, but that is the situation we are in. We're very much what happens to other teams affects us, and we are not in a commanding position. So their their wins or their victory or losses actually affect us. I think Indian fans should be sleeping well tonight, knowing because had Afghanistan won that, it would have been game over because Afghanistan already won a game, and and then now they'll be 4 points ahead. A bit hard to catch up for us, considering the kind of games that we have ahead of us. So for now, this win it helps us, and we hope that Pakistan wins all of their remaining matches. That will only make things better for us.
या लेकिन क्या अगर न्यूजीलैंड से जो मैच हुआ उसमें अगर इंडिया हार गए तो इंडिया का कोई चांस नहीं? अभी एट द मोमेंट क्योंकि इंडिया 5वें नंबर पे सबसे नीचे है, तो कितने चांसेस बनते हैं कि ये आगे जाकर के निकाल पाएगा?
जी, tomorrow is a do or die match, make or break. If we lose this, pretty much it's game over for us. Honestly, it's done. Um, yes, we have some matches ahead, but it's not going to be enough because the look, only 2 teams qualify, and one is already qualified pretty much, and the other one, I mean, it's Afghanistan is the closest one now. Of course, there's New Zealand that has not opened its batting like us. So we are in a strange situation, but if we lose tomorrow, they get the points. You can kiss the whole thing goodbye. Tomorrow we have to win. Immense pressure. I think not just on Team India, but honestly, the boards, the tournament organizers, the stadium, every single cog in the wheel of global cricket is worried. And by the way, I think this only proves how much we dominate and how much cricket depends on India. It is weird to say that, but it does. Just like basketball depends on America to thrive, cricket depends on India to thrive. An Indian loss does not help anyone. So for people hoping India is going to be booted out, and trust me, the rest of the competition is not going to be good, and then it's just not good for the future of World Cups. I mean, we are a very competitive side. We are usually in the front and always favorites in any tournament, any game that we play. This is just a strange, a rare occasion where we got beaten like this, but and we find ourselves at the bottom of the table. But we have enough time to sort of turn it around. But we have to win. India has to win every single match from here on end to qualify.
अच्छा, क्या आपको लग रहा है कि ये वाला जो इंडिया वाला पूल है, इसमें पाकिस्तान है, न्यूजीलैंड है, अफगानिस्तान है, लेकिन दूसरा वाला पूल वो ज्यादा टफ पूल है? वहां पे इंग्लैंड है, वहां पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, वहां पर साउथ अफ्रीका है, वो वाला ज्यादा टफ पूल है, ये वाला इतना टफ पूल नहीं है?
You know what? I think if you on paper it seems like, oh, that's the group of death. You know what? It is the group of death for those countries. It is tough for Australia, tough for South Africa, Sri Lanka, England to sort of compete against each other. Look, India beat Australia and England during those warm-up matches quite, like, I would say, easily. So I don't think it would have been a group of death for us. We have beaten all of those teams. This group is unusual. Nobody expected Pakistan to play this well. Afghanistan is looking very, very lethal. Even though, yes, I think people are thinking this is an easier team because of Scotland and Namibia. That's fine, but even if you remove them, you've got three other teams that are very good. And so I don't think this is any easier group than the other one. In fact, for India, maybe the other group might have been better, because I think for, unfortunately, what we struggle with is what Pakistan has, right? So, and then Afghanistan also has a little bit like that. So we are kind of facing, I think, our weaknesses and facing our worst situation here. But it is what it is. We are in the group. We can't change the groups half midway. So we're stuck with it now. We just have to get through the finish line and somehow qualify to the semifinals.
प्रीति जी, एक क्वेश्चन आया मीनाक्षी बीकेजी की तरफ से। पहले तो उन्होंने बोला हेलो प्रीति मैम, लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल। फिर उन्होंने बोला कि मैथ्यू हेडन्स का रोल क्या है पाकिस्तान में?
Wonderful. He's not a coach. He might be a batting coach, I think, but he got, maybe he's a mentor. I feel like he's playing a role like MS is for Team India. I have to say that they're very smart to get him, and because he's amazing. He's an amazing player. He's very insightful. He's a wonderful person, but he loves India. He adores India. He respects India. He's gone out of his way to, he's a very pro India person. I am very disappointed that BCCI didn't get him involved in some way, even if it wasn't for T20, for future. I just think that he's a good person to have in our camp, and Pakistan very smartly recruited him. And he is not, there are people who are genuinely a bit anti-India. You can see, obviously, the people who've coached Pakistan, and in those sorts of types of the people that come from the SENA countries that would do that. They might not be that crazy about India, but he is a genuine friend, and we lost him, I think, to Pakistan. So I think he would have been someone who would have been good for us, just like advisory. Um, so I don't know. I think they hit the jackpot with him. I think I don't know what he's doing for them, but obviously it's all working out for them.
राइट। अक्षत पटेल जो हैं वो पूछ रहे हैं कि अफगानिस्तान का जो मैच हुआ था कल पाकिस्तान से, क्या वो इंडिया के लिए पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है?
It's positive in the sense Pakistan won and Afghanistan didn't win. That's the only positive bit. That, trust me, the quality of both the teams is not good for India. They both played extremely high pressure game, crazy crowds, crazy atmosphere. I don't know if we would have how we would have done if we had been in either of those positions, right? I mean, it's just enormous, everything. I mean, it's one thing to have a crowd full of Indian fans. We are crazy, but imagine a crowd full of Afghan fans or a crowd full of Pakistani fans. Very different environment. And I think the game that we played against Pakistan, I could see a lot of green, and normally I only see a lot of blue. This time we saw a lot of green. So watch out, be prepared. If we do get ahead, they'll, that might come again. And I don't, I mean, they can match us for passion. So it doesn't help us. So I think, from a point perspective, it's good. But from a quality perspective, they were both very high quality teams.
नितिन भास्कर बोल रहे हैं इंडिया को ओलंपिक्स पे कंसंट्रेट करना चाहिए, नीरज चोपड़ा ने अच्छा काम किया है। खैर ऑफ कोर्स अच्छा काम तो किया, लेकिन उसमें भी देन जय काकू बोल रहे हैं कि आईपीएल खेलना चाहिए इंडिया को, आईपीएल से ही पैसा आता है, इनका कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है वर्ल्ड कप में। वर्ल्ड कप में ये नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे सेमीफाइनल तक। तो डू यू शेयर द सेम थिंकिंग व्हाट जय काकू इज सेइंग?
He's saying just keep playing IPL and don't worry about the World Cups.
Yeah, he says that they should play IPL only just because there's money in IPL which is coming out, and they're least concerned about the World Cup matches because there's no money involved.
Normally, our team is a champion team in the test series against anyone. ODI, I think, will be obviously will be favorites there. It's happening in India. Honestly, we should be winning that. But even T20, we are very competitive. It's just unfortunate that our first match was against Pakistan, a very good side, and we got hammered the way we got hammered. Imagine if we played Namibia and we, they went, they didn't even take a wicket from us. So, I mean, it's just happened that this was the match. I mean, people are acting like this is such a poor team and we've never been good at T20. That's not true. We've always been formidable. So IPL is great. IPL, I think, is great preparation for this, honestly. And
Okay.
this year, because it was played in Dubai, this was very good preparation for us.
नितिन बुल कह रहे हैं कि शार्दुल ठाकुर को नहीं खिलाया जा रहा, क्या जरूरी है शार्दुल ठाकुर को लाना, और क्या शार्दुल ठाकुर बेटर परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं?
Absolutely, zaruri hai. He is the X Factor player. I love him. He's amazing. He should be replacing Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. And I want to make some changes. I would bring in definitely Shardul for Bhuvi. I think Shami, you should decide if you want to play him or not. Ashwin might be an addition, and Ishan Kishan possibly replacing Hardik or even Sky, just because they're both not in great form. I think you should make at least 2 changes. I don't want to see no changes. I think if you make no changes, I don't think you're going to win. I think you need Shardul. And I think for me, Hardik Pandya, I don't think he belongs in this team. And I just don't want more liabilities, and also our openers and middle order, they have to, they got to make some runs and they can't collapse like they did last time. So, I think a lot of improvements need to be made.
पीयूष चावला इज सेइंग कि क्या वो जो पाकिस्तान के साथ टीम खेली थी उसके साथ चेंज हमें करना चाहिए। अक्षत पटेल कह रहे हैं कि क्या टॉस वाली जो टीम होती है, जो टॉस जीतती है वही मैच जीतती है?
No, it's not like that. I mean, look, IPL final, the team that lost the toss won it, but they were obviously much better, right? So sometimes it's a good toss to lose. So the other team makes a decision and then it all works out for you. Also, this is beyond your control. It's not about whether winning toss helps or not. It's a toss is a toss. Those are the rules. If you lose, that is, you have to deal with it. If you win, actually, there's some pressure. Now you have to make the right call. If you lose, you don't get to make that extra choice, I guess. I don't think winning toss means winning a match. We have seen enough, I think, examples, even in finals, where the team who lost the toss won it quite decisively.
मीनाक्षी बी के कह रही हैं कि अगर पूल ए को देखा जाए तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड जो है बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेंडर्स हैं, और अगर इंडिया जाता है सेमीफाइनल्स में, दिस इज फ्रॉम माय साइड, अगर इंडिया जाता है वहां पे, तो क्या इन दोनों के खिलाफ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंग्लैंड के खिलाफ, इंडिया का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा रहना चाहिए?
It's funny because honestly, I think India will perform better against Australia and England because they beat them in the warm-ups. I mean, okay, warm-ups don't mean anything, but those two teams weren't spectacular either. I think they just play those teams better. Pakistan, we don't play
Okay.
that much. Their pace
Okay.
attack is very tricky. It's very good, and it's challenging for many teams. And it just these conditions, and it's not a good combination for us at the moment. But I think if India somehow gets to it qualifies, it would most likely, I believe, play the team that comes first. Um, could be Australia, could be England. I know some people are saying South Africa, West Indies has a shot. I don't think so. I think Australia in the end will make it to the semifinals, and I think they're a strong contention for the finals as well.
ईशान किशन को क्या कल के मैच में होना चाहिए, ऐसा पूछ रहे हैं दुर्गेश गुप्ता।
Durgesh Gupta, you are on the money. My choice would be yes, yes, yes. Play him, maybe in place of Hardik Pandya or in place of, I know this is not popular, but maybe even in place of Sky, because just because he is in good form and the others are not, so you have to make a call. I would like to see him play. I think he's hungry, and I think he'll make some runs. So I'd like to see him. I'd like to see some changes, I think, for sure.
ओके, एक चीज और पूछी जा रही है, नितिन भास्कर पूछ रहे हैं कि अब इंडिया हार चुका है पाकिस्तान से, तो अब वर्ल्ड कप में दोबारा मैच हुआ तो क्या हम जीत सकते हैं फाइनल में अगर टकराए तो? और दूसरी चीज ये कि क्या हमारी पोजीशन क्या रह गई है पाकिस्तान से हारने के बाद?
So the only way that we would be meeting them again is in the finals, the way that it's set out, right? You semifinals, you play the other team, and if you win that, then you go to the finals, and if they win their pathway, then you meet. It's interesting. I think, to be honest, I think if we play again, I think we might have an edge. Look, that the game that we've had with them was a shocker, but it was unusual. It's very bizarre. It's like a black swan event. That doesn't happen all the time. That's not the typical Indian team. I think by the time the finals come around, I'm sure we would have improved a lot. We would have also, I mean, now they're on a winning streak. Their luck also runs out, right? Maybe they will. Finals will not be the day for them. I think if we play them again in Dubai, I think we will win, and I think we'll win comfortably. So I hope we get that chance.
टू क्वेश्चंस कंबाइंड। एक क्वेश्चन ज्योतिष जे पूछ रहे हैं कि हु विल इंडिया फेस इन सेमीफाइनल्स, किसके साथ सेमीफाइनल हो सकता है इंडिया का? सेकंडली मीनाक्षी बी के पूछ रहे हैं कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड आज उन दोनों का मैच है और उसमें कौन जीत सकता है?
I think India, if they qualify, I think they will be meeting England. I sense England will. Well, it depends who wins today. I think in England will end up topping their table. I think Australia is the better side, and I think today's match, I think Australia will win. I really think that they're the better. I think they're the best team in that whole group, and you see, they are they. I just feel like they are the team that is going to go the distance. I don't think England will make it past the semis.
सुदीप दास पूछ रहे हैं कि व्हाट अबाउट मोहम्मद रियाज?
What about him? I haven't seen him play. Maybe they're wanting to know if they'll play him. I don't know. I think Pakistan has a formula that. Is this a Pakistani team? I'm assuming they have a formula that works for them. So they also have a bit like India. They also have a lot of good players from the PSL that they can pick from. This is their selection. I think they got the selection right. They have the combinations right, So maybe they'll make some changes moving forward, like after like in the semis and so on. But I think the group stages they'll stay the same.
एक क्वेश्चन जो अक्षत पटेल पूछ रहे हैं, बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। मैं भी यही क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता था कि अगर ये वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया में होता, होस्ट कंट्री इंडिया ही, इंडिया में होना था, कोविड की वजह से वहां हो रहा है, अगर ये इंडिया में होता तो क्या सिचुएशन बेटर होती, हम पाकिस्तान को हरा पाते?
Um, Conditions are very similar, I have to say, between UAE and India. Of the difference would be if it was in India, you have Indian fans, mainly Indian fans. Obviously, Pakistani, they won't be able to travel, they won't be getting visa. Other than journalists, I don't think people can just fans. I'm pretty sure they can't just come and watch it. So you have a stadium full of blue, rooting for India. So I think you'll get that support, but and conditions will be a little better. I also think that you have control over the pitches and so on. Of course, it would have been better, but it's not happening, right? It's not happening in India, so it is what it is. I mean, IPL didn't happen there, but obviously one team won. I guess for that team, it doesn't matter because they bought it home in the end.
ओके, अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन नितिन बुल पूछ रहे हैं, क्या इंडियन टीम थकी हुई है आईपीएल खेलने के बाद, उनको रेस्ट करने का मौका नहीं मिल पाया, उसका भी कोई इफेक्ट दिख रहा है हमें?
I think they're tired. Some players, I don't think it's the IPL because these players didn't have a great IPL either. So it's not the IPL. And everybody played the IPL. Other than Pakistan, everybody played the IPL. And Pakistan played the PSL, right? So everybody has played a lot of league tennis recently, and everybody's a little lethargic. I just think that there are some players out of form, and we got our selection a bit off, and couple of the bowling selections weren't right. That is it. The team is fine. I just think those kinks need to be ironed out. But I don't think IPL because then everybody would be lethargic, and it's really not the case, you know.
ओके, देन एक क्वेश्चन के अक्षत पटेल पूछ रहे हैं, रोहित शर्मा और राहुल दोनों से क्या उम्मीद है आपको?
I had huge hopes for KL Rahul at the beginning. I thought he was going to be one of the highest run maker uh, uh, run makers in the tournament. That obviously hasn't happened, but he'll you know look, we've had a very long break, very unusually long break. I don't know why it has worked out like that, but I think he let's okay, we have 4 games. I mean, he could do very well. He could do very well in each of them. um I have a lot of hope for KL Rahul. I think he's going to do well. Rohit Sharma, want to see him get some form because when he is in form, he is amazing and he is a match winner. Great opener, right? So let's see what happens. I have great hopes for both of them, but my expectation for Rahul is higher.
तानिश खन्ना, जय हिंद। एक एक बीके मीनाक्षी बीके ने पूछा कि आप अभी ये तो हम एनालिसिस पे हैं, जर्नलिस्ट में, आप अभी हॉलीवुड में किस वेंचर में काम कर रही हैं? दिस इज आउट ऑफ क्रिकेट।
So many things. Writing a book, excited about that. I am producing a TV show. Hopefully that will, happen. And of course, I do a lot of brand ambassador stuff. Look, Hollywood is evolving, and I'm evolving too. So I think there'll be new projects, and next year there'll be new things that I don't even know of even now. That's Hollywood for you. Every day there's something new and new people, new connections, new proposals come to you. So, like, things can change very quickly, but next year will be a big year for me.
ओके, मीनाक्षी बी के बोल रही हैं, आई एम साउथ इंडियन और मेरा माय हार्ट बीट्स फॉर राहुल। तो मीनाक्षी जी खुद भी हैदराबाद से हैं।
Is she from? Well, he's from Bangalore. Well, Mangalore.
No,
He's
no,
from
no.
Karnataka. So, is she from Karnataka too, or I guess maybe she's from Hyderabad?
No, Meenakshi ji ne bola she is from South India, but it was a slip of tongue. I said Preeti ji khud Hyderabad se hain.
Yes. True. Wonderful. KL Rahul is awesome.
एंड एक और जनाब बोल रहे हैं कि ये थंबनेल पे जो फोटो लगाई है कहाँ से मिली है, ऐसे नहीं, ये मैडम का एक हॉलीवुड वेंचर था जिसपे ये मतलब मैम कई जगह वो करती हैं, एडवर्टाइजिंग में भी आती हैं, वही फोटो थी, प्रीति जी ने खुद भेजी थी, वो लगाई है, ये पहले न्यूज़पेपर्स में मैगजीन्स में छप चुकी है फोटो, वही लगाई है मैंने। देन एक और क्वेश्चन is Santosh Kumar Sahu saying, Preeti ji, you are the proud of our, you are the pride of our country. अच्छा, एक राज क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, अब तो क्रिकेट से बाहर क्वेश्चंस आने लगे आपके लिए। तो राज पूछ रहे हैं कि विल यू वर्क फॉर बॉलीवुड?
If they come to me knocking with a contract, yes. I'm not going to go to Mumbai and try to break it. That's not the way to do it. And I think we have been seeing what's going on in Bollywood. I don't think so. If they come,
राइट,
then yes.
ओके। एक और क्वेश्चन के आपको क्या लग रहा है कि क्या अफगानिस्तान भी सेमीफाइनल में जा सकता है?
Yes. Everybody has been talking about New Zealand. I am not talking about them. I'm talking about Afghanistan. They actually have a better shot. I have to say this. If we don't make it, I would rather that they go. I don't care so much about New Zealand. I would like Afghanistan to go through and go the distance if we somehow get knocked out tomorrow. My heart I will be going, I will be rooting for Afghanistan. They deserve this. But they have a very good shot. In fact, the end might actually, the India Afghanistan match, I think, will be the decider. If we don't get knocked out tomorrow, that match will be the decider, and I think it will be a hot match. I think India can win that and will win that, but it'll be like the biggest match so far.
ओके, अब क्रिकेट से ज्यादा आपसे के बारे में जानने के लिए हमारे व्यूअर्स इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि इंटीग्रिटी पूछ रही है आप कहाँ से हैं। इंटीग्रिटी एक जनाब है, व्यूअर है हमारे, वो पूछ रहे हैं आप वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, आप कहाँ से हैं?
I'm from Hyderabad in India, but I grew up in Dubai, in the Middle East, so I lived there, and now I live in the US.
Okay, and then there is Ravi Boyer. He said, if India and Pakistan meet in finals, what will be your verdict? Will India thrash them? He is from Karnataka.
I don't know about thrashing. I think if we get it all depends on your selection. If you're going to have the same playing 11 that you had when you played them, we will lose. If you have a modified playing 11, we will win. We should win. They are good. Their bowling is a lot better than their batting. We are more balanced, right? So we should win.
टेक्निकल वर्ल्ड टीवी बोल रहे हैं वी वांट हिंदी, वी वांट हिंदी। आपको जल्दी ही हिंदी में भी हम करते मिलेंगे, डोंट वरी। क्योंकि प्रीति मैम इतने साल से इंग्लिश में काम कर रही हैं, तो बोली कि एनालिसिस है, एनालिसिस को उस लैंग्वेज में किया जाना चाहिए जिसको मैं फ्रीक्वेंटली मतलब बोलते हैं। अमेरिका में हिंदी बोलने वाले बहुत कम थे, तो प्रैक्टिस होती है ना। वैसे ये 5 लैंग्वेजेस जानती हैं, तेलुगु भी जानती हैं, उर्दू भी जानती हैं, लेकिन धीरे ही जल्दी जल्दी हम लोग उस पर आ जाएंगे, विल बी कमिंग टू दैट। अभी अभी बहरहाल क्योंकि एनालिसिस है और एक वर्ड जरा सी भी गड़बड़ हुई तो मतलब कुछ और निकल सकता है, इसलिए हम लोगों ने दोनों ने एग्री करके बोला कि हम इंग्लिश में बोलिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमारे व्यूअर्स समझ जाएंगे। यू गोजियस बोल रहे हैं संदीप गोस्वामी। और एक क्वेश्चन और के वैसे तो मुझे आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना नहीं चाहिए, आपने बोला था कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच में पाकिस्तान जीतेगा और वो जीत भी गया। अब सेकंड क्वेश्चन के इंडिया पाकिस्तान दोनों के दोनों मिले तो व्हाट्स योर पिक? ये पिछले क्वेश्चन से मिलता हुआ है, लेकिन व्हाट्स योर पिक? हु इज गोइंग टू परफॉर्म बेटर? क्योंकि पिछली बार तो रोहित शर्मा वाज जीरो एंड द अदर्स आल्सो फेल्ड, तो इस बार आपको लग रहा है कि बेटर परफॉर्मेंस कहीं से आएगा?
Yes, if they play again, especially with a changed team, they will play better, and I think they'll get the better of Pakistan this time.
ओके, बट बॉलिंग बहुत बहुत वेरी गुड। इसकी तो तारीफ सबने की कि वो जो बॉल थी जिस पर रोहित शर्मा आउट हुए, वो बॉल बड़ी अच्छी थी, बॉल स्विंग ले रही थी, और इवन रोहित शर्मा को उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इस तरीके की बॉल चली जाएगी। इनफैक्ट 99% एनालिस्ट और 99% क्रिकेटर्स को उम्मीद नहीं थी। आई थिंक प्रीति जी, आप भी इतने दिन से स्पोर्ट्स में क्रिकेट को देख रही हैं, तो आपको भी ऐसी उम्मीद नहीं होगी कि इतनी स्विंग होगी बॉल में और इतनी अच्छी बॉल होगी। क्या अगर बॉल ने फिर वैसा ही कमाल दिखाया तो पाकिस्तान जीत सकता है ना?
Yes, but we haven't seen swing like that since that. So Shaheen's Afridi's spell, he obviously okay. The 3 games he has done very well, but the first game was he really was a star. The other two he didn't quite get that swing, And you had Rauf, I really think, has shined the last 2 games, right? Certainly the last game. So finals, you might not get that swing, and a little bit here and there, it becomes very expensive. So let's hope he doesn't get the swing. And I hope for a little bit better defense from our batsmen.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन है कि लीग में सारे मैच जीतेगी, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं नितिन, बोल रहे लीग, अपने लीग में सारे मैच पाकिस्तान जीत जाएगी, तो उसके बाद क्या इंडिया पे प्रेशर नहीं होगा कि वो कहीं पाकिस्तान से हेड ऑन कोलिजन पे आए, या सेमीफाइनल में जिससे भी हेड ऑन कोलिजन पे आए तो एक ऐसी टीम जो कि पूरी मैचेस जीत चुकी है उसके साथ प्रेशर में खेलेगी? दूसरी चीज, क्या ऐसी, मैं पर्सनली अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता रहा हूँ, मैंने ऐसी टीम्स को सेमीफाइनल्स में नॉकआउट स्टेज में हारते हुए देखा है। 99%.
99%. Look, even IPL DC was the table leaders, almost won every match. They had the most points, right? And what happened? So yeah, because they've used up their quota, I think. And in fact, the ones like in this case, like you look at a KKR or whatever, they really came from behind, right? So India would be that, sort of coming from behind. I think it doesn't matter if Pakistan wins all of it, and I think it will win all of its games. It's fine as long as we are number 2 on that table. It doesn't matter what the disparity is. Maybe we only get 6 points. It doesn't matter. The important thing is that we qualify, and then in fact we will have more momentum that we qualified with that, and then it'll be easier for us.
Yeah, there is a comment for you or compliment for you and a request for you from the same person, Ravi Bobyar. बोल रहे हैं, you are very pretty and a big fan of you. You have excellent views on cricket. उसके बाद उन्होंने लिखा, whatever you say becomes a reality.
Yes.
Please say India is winning. This was a request.
Okay. I've been so far saying that India is awful and they're got everything wrong and the playing 11 is off and Pandya shouldn't be there and blah blah blah, and that's exactly what's happening. So I'll change it. My battery is down to 5%, so just
only matters we are winding up.
Yeah. We'll finish it quickly,
winding up. Yeah. Then finish it quickly. The final question, and that comes from this gentleman, is Adhish Chaudhary. Sorry, Manish Besare. He says के final prediction, क्या इंडिया पाकिस्तान फाइनल होगा, या इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया फाइनल होगा, या इंडिया इंग्लैंड फाइनल होगा?
I don't see India Pakistan final. I don't see it. Either India or Pakistan might be in the final. I see an Australia in the final for some reason, and this is more intuitive than analysis. I just think that they're going to be that team. I think it's still anything goes at this point. So let's see how things go. I still think that there are some twists and turns, I think, left. At the end, I think the ultimate winner will be an unusual one that nobody expected.
Okay, thanks a lot, Preeti ji, आपको हमारे साथ ज्वाइन करने के लिए. दिनेश साहू is saying you looking very beautiful. Thanks a lot, दिनेश. मैडम की तरफ से मैं बोल रहा हूँ थैंक्स. और दूसरी चीज, उम्मीद है आपसे हम लोग अभी इंडिया न्यूजीलैंड होने वाला है. इंडिया न्यूजीलैंड के बाद फिर से आपसे मिडनाइट टेलीकास्ट ही करें, लेकिन हम लोग मिडनाइट पे एक बार फिर से आने की कोशिश करेंगे. अगर प्रीति मैम फ्री हो तो. प्रीति मैम बिजी रहती हैं, हॉलीवुड में इनके बहुत सारे वेंचर्स चलते हैं, तो उस पर कोशिश जरूर करेंगे. अभी के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नमस्कार, जय हिंद.
नमस्कार, जय हिंद, धन्यवाद.